Sup YouTube. So as many of you guys know, I've done cooking things on this channel and they've all been bad, as shown by the title, failed it. So today I decided to just start off with the basics. And even so basic, we go back to toast, because I think I need that much practice. So today I'm going to learn how to make toast. Let's get right to it. Welcome to my kitchen.
People make toast all the time, and they assume they're doing it correctly. But unfortunately, they're not. Come along as I show you how to make the perfect piece of toast, and for my advanced students, buttered toast. Select your ideal slice.
We need to find and locate a perfect bread slice. Here I have some premium Italian sourdough. Okay. So, this will be our perfect slice of toast.
Locate your toasting mechanism.
I've located my toasting mechanism.
Take your slices of bread and put them in your toaster. Proceed to introduce heat to your piece of bread by pressing down on the lever. Easy. Congratulations, you no longer have a piece of bread, you have a piece of toast. This isn't really a step, but I think it's important to take the time to appreciate your handiwork. Now, the only thing this dry piece of toast needs is some butter.
Okay guys, I don't know if we're ready for such an advanced step such as butter, but since I want my learning process to go quickly, we're gonna start buttering.
Locate your butter knife and grasp it firmly.
Firmly grasped.
With your butter knife, remove a reasonable portion of butter. I always use unsalted so I can control the amount of salt later.
Not really sure if this is unsalted or not, but there we go.
Here's a special tip. If you suspect you'll be making toast in the near future, remove your butter from the fridge 10 to 15 minutes ahead of time. This will help soften it for easy spreading.
While that may work for some people, I have another strategy. Simply pick up your buttering thingy, place it in the microwave, and set the time. Now we wait. The perfect viscosity.
Spread the butter on your toast with nice, even strokes.
While that strategy definitely works, I have another one. Simply pick up your buttering thing and pour it on the toast. Oh yeah, get all of that on there. Perfect. And that is how to make toast.
Easy.